Now this illustration deals with the marking requirements that has to be on the fuse in accordance with NEC 240.60C. Now notice the size of this fuse is 200 amp, has an interrupting rating, say, of 20,000 amps. And the voltage is 600 volt. We have a short circuit element, and we have an overload element. The markings, though, you see are as follows in the boxed in information. The amperage rating, we gave that 200 amps. The voltage rating, it's a 600 volt straight marked fuse. The interrupting rating is so important. If you have a interrupting rating of 10,000 amps, that's when it's not marked. But ours is marked 20,000, so we know that's what it would be. But if you pick up a fuse and it doesn't have the interrupting rating, then it's 10,000. Now, the current limiting is very important in that fourth bullet. What is the amount of current that it would interrupt? For example, it might hold 20,000, but only let through 7,500. And that means it would hold without rupturing 20,000 amps, say, but it will only let current through to 7,500 amp. Now, we're using this fuse to help protect downstream conductors and equipment in accordance with 240.3 or 240.4, as we've previously seen. And then, of course, the name or nameplate of the manufacturer, trademark. Is it a Bussmann? Is it a Gould? Is it a little fuse? What type of fuse is it? And then, is it a replacement fuse? In other words, if I had a Bussmann, could I purchase a Gould with these same characteristics and replace it, where the manufacturer doesn't call for a certain type fuse and manufacturer type fuse? We know then we just follow 240.60C in those items that are listed there that would have to be provided to be in compliance with 240.60C. And that's what our figure 90-40B is illustrating to us.